My
Hmm.
question for you is like, do you think that this is going to change your business as far as how you run your ad campaigns? Like, is this going to be your primary thing that you look at when running your ad campaigns going forward?
Yeah, like I started like I stopped second guessing things, and I was like, fuck it, just whatever it tells me to do, just do it, and we'll see what happens. That's the best measure of success, or that's the best way to measure this. And so I started doing that, and like it's working, right? Like yesterday, I turned on a whole bunch of new. Oh no, yesterday there was a whole bunch of ads that were not getting enough impressions. So I doubled like the costs for the things, the bids, for like a bunch of campaigns. And it like freaked out at me this morning. They're like, all the progress you just made, that went out the window because you just increased all of this. So don't so be prepared for a high spend over the next few days, right?
Wow.
Because of what you, yeah. I was like, okay, okay, right. And the longer I've been running it, the better it's just getting because it's seeing more information. It has more history. It's picking up trends. It's picking up things that I didn't know. Like it's insane. As I do it every morning or whatever, and I look and I'm like, okay, that's cool. And then it starts giving me like, hey, you need to kill this, or this target's good. And then I look, and one of the things it was telling me to kill was lottery ads, was one of the lottery ads. And I was like, oh, there it is. It doesn't fully understand lottery
Yeah.
campaigns need to run higher clicks with fewer sales, but that's okay because the cost is lower. And so we had to build in this thing that now it understands to lottery campaigns and regular campaigns don't have the same um, base metrics or whatever, right? So it looks at it
Mhm.
differently. And so that's like one of the changes. Just like we were talking about organic sales, it doesn't know anything about organic sales yet, which would completely change everything on how it's working because all of a sudden it's going to have a lot more data to understand. And it'll
Yeah.
say, oh, wow, you're way more profitable. And then it'll be like, your ads are making this much impact on organic sales. So,
Hmm.
but it's like, I want to just get this all settled with ads
Hmm.
first. Because if you can run profitable business on just ads, then you're golden. Before we allow it to read all the KDP organic
Yeah.
stuff. So
Yeah. Yeah, because if you have a keyword that has like an 80% A cost and it's like your top three highest performing keyword as far as sales, like you're probably getting a lot of organic sales from that as well. So if you cut that down, you'd probably hit your organic a bit. So because they're
but
kind of tied together.
are you though? Like maybe
Yeah.
or maybe you're just overpaying for it. And like
Yeah.
maybe you're just funding the organic sales with your ads and you're just but you've masked it.
Yeah.
Right. So yeah, I don't know. There's so much
I know.
to look at and to measure and to play with. Um, but it'll keep improving over the next few months for sure.